Have you ever heard of tellurium? It's not a household name, but it should be. Don't worry, most people haven't. This rare element is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in our quest for sustainable energy. But this little-known element might just hold the key to a cleaner, greener future. Tellurium is a rare, silvery white metalloid that is essential in the production of advanced solar panels. Tellurium is a critical component in a new generation of solar panels, and demand for it is skyrocketing. These solar panels are more efficient and durable, making renewable energy more accessible and reliable. It's time to learn about this hidden gem, and why it's so important for our planet. As we transition away from fossil fuels, elements like tellurium are becoming indispensable. Renewable energy is the way forward, and tellurium is playing a critical role in making that happen. From solar farms to rooftop installations, tellurium-based technology is paving the way. Buckle up, science fans, because we're about to explore the fascinating world of tellurium and its impact on the future of clean energy. This journey will reveal how a single element can make a monumental difference. Tellurium is a fascinating element, often overlooked but with immense potential. It's a metalloid, which means it has properties of both metals and non-metals. This dual nature gives it a unique versatility in various applications. On the periodic table, it sits right below selenium, another element used in solar technology. Both elements share some similarities, but tellurium stands out due to its distinct characteristics. Tellurium is silvery white with a metallic luster, making it visually striking. Its appearance is just the beginning of its intriguing properties. It's brittle in its pure form, but don't let that fool you. Despite its fragility, it's a real powerhouse when it comes to conducting electricity. This brittleness doesn't hinder its performance in technological applications. Tellurium's unique properties make it ideal for use in thin-film solar cells, also known as CDTE solar cells. These cells are a breakthrough in solar technology, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution. These cells are highly efficient at converting sunlight into electricity, even in low-light conditions. This efficiency is crucial for maximizing energy production in various environments. This makes them a game-changer for solar energy production. By harnessing tellurium's properties, we can push the boundaries of renewable energy and pave the way for a more sustainable future. So how does tellurium actually work in solar panels? Tellurium is combined with cadmium to create cadmium telluride, the semiconductor material at the heart of thin-film solar cells. When sunlight hits the CDTE layer, it knocks electrons loose, creating an electric current. Thin-film solar panels have several advantages over traditional silicon-based panels. They are cheaper to produce, use less material, and are more flexible, making them ideal for a wider range of applications. The tellurium rush market growth and future projections. The global demand for tellurium is exploding, and it's all thanks to the rapid growth of the thin-film solar industry. These solar panels are more efficient and cost-effective, making them a popular choice for large-scale solar farms. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, the role of tellurium becomes increasingly crucial. As more countries invest in renewable energy, the need for tellurium will only continue to rise. Countries around the globe are setting ambitious targets for reducing carbon emissions, and renewable energy sources like solar and wind are at the forefront of this transition. Market analysts predict that the tellurium market could reach billions of dollars in the coming years. This growth is driven by the increasing adoption of clean energy technologies and the ongoing advancements in solar panel efficiency. This surge in demand presents both challenges and opportunities. On one hand, it opens up new avenues for investment and economic growth. On the other hand, it puts pressure on the supply chain and raises concerns about the environmental impact of mining activities. We need to find sustainable ways to source tellurium and ensure a stable supply chain to meet the growing need for clean energy technologies. This involves adopting environmentally friendly mining practices, investing in recycling technologies, and developing new methods to extract tellurium more efficiently. The future of clean energy depends on our ability to balance demand with sustainable practices. A rare find: tellurium scarcity and global distribution. Here's the catch. tellurium is incredibly rare. It's actually rarer than platinum. You won't find tellurium just lying around in the ground. It's usually found as a byproduct of copper and gold mining. This makes securing a reliable supply of tellurium a significant challenge. Historically, tellurium was considered a nuisance element by miners. It wasn't until its potential in solar technology was realized that it became the highly sought-after element it is today. The tellurium titans, key players in the global supply chain. Currently, just a handful of countries dominate the global tellurium market. China is the world's largest producer, followed by the United States, Japan, and Russia. These countries hold the key to meeting the world's growing demand for tellurium. The concentrated production of tellurium raises concerns about supply chain vulnerability and price volatility. It's crucial to diversify the production base and explore new sources of this critical element.